Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save photos to the gallery on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you just go to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the settings button, the third option. Here you can find different options and click to the first, the camera. And here you can find only one option, the save photos to photo gallery. Photos taken in Evernote will be saved to your device. If you want to turn on this function, just click to the next circle icon, and if it will be turned green, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.